How's it going, guys? Here in Spring Lake, Michigan. Starting another video here. So welcome back to the channel. We just got empty this morning. Now we're here getting reloaded. So this is headed down to Oswego, Illinois. Oswego, however you say it. So that's gonna be loaded. Actually delivers tonight at a Sam's Club. But so should be empty tonight, which would be good because we have we don't have a reload yet, but we can start heading somewhere. But the truck's all salted, really white, especially right here. Starting to come down. It's snowing a little bit. So yeah, we're gonna sit here, wait till we get loaded. Hopefully it don't take too long. Right now they haven't even started and it's 40 minutes past, but I think we should be fine. Okay, finally got loaded here. It's about 2 o'clock right now, so what is that, 3 hours? Got ducks over there in the pond, but it's starting to come down again. Just gotta slide these tandems. Got a load of protein shakes, those Fairlife protein shakes. That's what we always pick up here, but we were confused at first because the Raycon said juice, but it ended up being protein shake. So let's go ahead and slide the tandem. Then we're actually gonna go home for a bit because the house is on the way and we have a couple hours early. So we're gonna go hang out at the house for a bit, then leave. I don't know what time we'll leave, but I'll let you guys know. Let's go ahead and check these tandems, see where they're at and if they're locked in. Yeah, they're locked in. Could go maybe one hole back, but let's see where we're at. 29,000. I'll probably leave it there for now. Yeah, I'll probably go one hole back when we go home or something, but I don't like it too forward when you get too much tail swing and hit stuff if you're turning sharp. But yeah, let's go home, hang out for a bit. Hopefully it doesn't get too bad out here. Well, we made it at the house now. Snow's starting to get pretty deep here. Let's see where the tire marks are at. Maybe 2 inches maybe. With my shoes. So it's starting to get a little slick. Gotta be careful. But we're looking at the radar. It's only showing to about maybe the Michigan state line. Ooh, almost fell down. We should be fine. But yeah, now that we're home though, I'm gonna go ahead and fix this corner light in the trailer. Should be pretty simple. Just reattach the wire. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, got that light fixed. Like I said, really simple. But we're gonna go ahead and close the shop now and hang out inside for a bit. Tandem's actually gonna leave it there. I was saying I want it back, which I do like it back a little more, but we're right at the limit in the truck because it stops maybe right there. So we don't have as much as we usually get when we go over there. But yeah, so that's fine there. Oh, that we gotta fix too. We come back this week and take the wheel off. The valve stem's leaking a bit. But other than that, everything's good. I would show you, but sealed up. Coca-Cola. So yeah, gonna hang out home for a bit and probably leave around 4 o'clock. So we have a few hours, 2 hours to hang out here. Then should be, well, we got to deliver tonight at 9 is the appointment. So if we time it right, leave it around 4, we should be there around 7:30. So give ourselves a little room if something happens, traffic or I don't know, anything could happen. But yeah, let's go ahead and hang out in the house for a bit, and I'll catch you guys when we start heading out. Oh, can you guys tell we went through Illinois? All the salt in the truck. Really bad. And on the front of the trailer. But yeah, we're here in, would it be Oswego? I don't know. We're 20 miles from the destination. So I don't know if this would be Oswego technically or not. But here at Thornton's, gonna get some fuel. We're about an hour and a half early, so gonna get some fuel, then head over there. But yeah, the ride here was fine. The little bit of Michigan was getting pretty bad, but other than that, once we passed that little storm was pretty good. Well, I forgot to record over there at the Sam's Club, but we went in over there, got checked in, and got empty within an hour, so did us pretty good over there. But and now we made it here to the reload, Chicago, Illinois. So we're gonna sleep for the night up against the wall. We gotta go check in over there at that door. It's a 12 o'clock appointment, I think, if I'm remembering right, but probably check in a little early, see if they'll get us loaded. But yeah, everything went smooth. besides it being cold, it's a nice night. No snow at least. I'll show you guys the inside. Can't really see, but we're empty. So just gonna park here. Right now it's probably midnight. It's about 40 miles from Oswego. So yeah, made it over here. It's gonna be a cold one tonight. I think down to 10 degrees, 11 degrees. So probably gonna keep the truck running again, just in case. But yeah, so go in the sleeper, go to sleep, wake up in the morning and get checked in. Gonna have to wash the truck over the weekend. It's really ugly. I get the fenders all white. But it's a working truck. That's what you'll get. Especially if you run Illinois, where they like to dump a lot of salt around here, which is good, but then you end up with this. Oh, look at the stacks. So gotta get washed up this weekend. But anyways, like I said, go ahead and go to sleep. Hopefully nobody bothers us. I don't think so. And get loaded and should be home tomorrow. But it delivers Friday, but probably make it home tomorrow and deliver Friday morning and head back. Good morning. Sitting here, we were slept over there against the wall if you guys remember last night. But woke up this morning around 8:30 maybe, 9 o'clock. Then couldn't go back to sleep, so decided just to check in, see what happens, and they gave us a dock right away. So yeah, hopefully they load us up pretty quick and we'll be home pretty early. They already started, so that's a good sign. But yeah, so this one delivers to Hudsonville. We're gonna deliver that tomorrow morning because it's pretty close to the house. So yeah, probably gonna end up going home, then hang out at the house basically all day. We have a pretty good day. But yeah, pretty cold this morning. Got pretty cold last night too. But at least there's no snow, so I'll take the cold. Truck's looking really bad. All the salt. Get up there too. Yeah. Almost looks white. Frame. But yeah, anyways, let's wait here till they get us loaded. Hopefully they don't take too long. And we can start heading to the house. It's about 5 hours. 5 hour run. They're in the trailer right now too. So I think it'll be pretty quick.